From hundreds of countries and hundreds of college programs, which one is best for you?
After long researches, I finally found the best program for myself. Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela. Let me tell you a few things about myself. I used to be a teacher and I'm a graduate architect. I love traveling. I travel the world. Now I'm managing people in the aviation industry. Are you curious to know how a day in my life looks like? Come, I'll show you. Welcome to Dubai, my home. Jogging, studying and working are my daily routine.
Researching for the future never stops.
We all have the desire to study, develop and grow in our careers. But how would you know to choose? From hundreds of countries and hundreds of college programs, which one is best for you? After long researches, I finally found the best program for myself.
I cannot emphasize how practical, personal, and actual the program is. At Hayek Global College, we are truly international, professional, and we live with purpose. Their values align with mine. I have colleagues from all around the world, and all the courses are online. I'm from Romania, I live in Dubai, and I study in Brazil. Isn't that amazing? I choose Hayek Global College for my future. What would you choose for your future?